Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 168 Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I'm going to give you a quick solution to how you can find the best product that you're actually looking for in a Plus member on 1688 and enjoying discounted price on every product as a Plus member on 1688 Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, or pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app. Having opened up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, go ahead and click on your profile icon. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your plus sign right here on your dashboard. Click on that. Then it's going to take you to all available products in the plus member section right here. So right here, you can scroll down. Sometimes if you scroll down right here, you cannot find exactly what you are looking for. And to make it very much easy for you and straight to the point, what you need to do is to make sure you contact a dedicated customer support for a plus member. And for that, what you need to do is to click on this icon right here from the top. So click on that. So when you click on it, it's going to open a dialog box right here. Now, for you to send an order consultation, click on here and follow the prompt. Alternatively, you can click on this plus sign right here. This allows you to upload either live picture or video, or you have a product picture sample. You can send it to the customer support dedicated as a plus member in your profile, and customer support will quickly get back to you and give you exactly the product you are looking for at a very discounted price from any store and a trusted manufacturer in China on 1688. It's that simple. So this is what I have for you as far as how you can find the best product in a discounted price from any plus member supplier on 1688 Chinese shopping app. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to ship and import products from China, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.